This is Zero, a vertical takeoff and landing vehicle being developed by Masten Space Systems. The California startup hopes the rocket will eventually carry payloads for NASA to altitudes of up to 30 kilometers, mainly to collect atmospheric data now unavailable to higher-flying satellites. Zero can be flown multiple times per day, and Masten says that reusable launch vehicles will ultimately make space more accessible with more flights at lower cost. This test flight over California's Mojave Desert took Zero to 444 meters, a record for the company. The rocket's takeoff and landing technology also serves as a testbed for space vehicles the company believes will one day be used for missions to the Moon and Mars. And Masten says tests in the near future will be designed to take the rocket to its suborbital limit and bring it back safely to Earth. Ellie Park, Reuters.